Hello and welcome to my channel. For instruction recipe, see bottom page. This preserved eggplant recipe transforms fresh eggplant into a Mediterranean delicacy. After grilling to perfection, the slices are marinated with garlic, basil, rosemary, sage and chili, then preserved in a silky extra virgin olive oil, perfect to serve on bruschetta antipasto platters or alongside grilled meat and cheese. Once are jarred, let it rest for a week, then the flavor will deepen and create the ultimate homemade Italian preserve. Instruction: peel eggplant, slice into half a centimeter round, lay on parchment paper lined sheet, sprinkle with sea salt, let them sweat, then pat dry. Grill slice until chalk marks form, let it cool, then cut into strips. In a pan, saute garlic, rosemary and sage until golden. Toss with eggplant strips, basil and chili pepper. Pack tightly into 1 liter sterilized jar, cover fully with olive oil. Press down to remove hair. Seal and store for 1 week before enjoying. Bon appetit!